Hi everyone, I am Professor M.S. Tamboli. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Friends, in today's part, we are going to see in detail about prepositions as part of speech. Prepositions are the words which connect nouns, pronouns, phrases with another words within that sentence. Generally, prepositions indicate time, place, location, direction, distance, manner, means, cause, and purpose. Most of the learners of English find prepositions very confusing. But don't worry at all. I am here with you to make it easy for you. Today, in the first part, we are going to focus on the prepositions such as at, in, during, into, on, onto, from, since, for, to, and of with suitable examples. I am sure at the end of this session you will be able to use prepositions effectively. So friends, let's begin. The first preposition is at. At is used to show the clock time or age. At ने clock time म्हणजेच वेळ किंवा काळ दर्शवला जातो. Example, the meeting will start at 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. it shows the clock time. Then he got retired at the age of 60. Now here age has been indicated using at preposition. Then at shows place or location. ए ठिकाण किंवा स्थान हे at न दर्शवले जाते. Example, we must stay at home. You can see at home which shows the place. Then you can buy it at that shop. Now at that shop here indicates the location. Then at is used as an equivalent to near and to. म्हणजे near आणि to या अर्थाने at हे वापरले जाते. And example, he was standing at the door means he was standing near the door. He looked at me. Now here at has been used just like to. Then the next preposition, and here we have three prepositions: in, during, and into. And let us see the uses of these prepositions. In and during used to show period of time. In आणि during हे वेळेचा कालावधी दाखवण्याकरिता वापरले जाते. The students and teachers gather together in the morning. Now see, in the morning it shows the period of time. Then I will visit your place in or during the summer vacation. Now here in and during the summer vacations shows the period. In shows the place as an area or volume. In ने एखाद्या ठिकाणाचे क्षेत्रफळ किंवा घनफळ दर्शवले जाते. And we can explain this with this diagram. Now here is a diagram. You can see in that square there is a dot which shows the place as a fixed one. Then the clothes are in the cupboard. We must stay in the house till the lockdown period. या ठिकाणी आपण पाहू शकता की जे स्थान दर्शवण्यात आलेले आहे ते फिक्स अशा प्रकारचं ठिकाण असल्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी इनचा वापर केला जातो. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज इन डॅश डॅश मॅनर ऑर वे. ही रचना वापरून मॅनर म्हणजे पद्धती दर्शवली जाते. एक्झाम्पल, शी स्पोक इन अ कॉन्फिडंट मॅनर. सी, इन अ कॉन्फिडंट मॅनर shows the manner. Then they perform on a stage in a professional way. Then uses of into. Now here we can explain it with the help of a diagram. एक डायग्रामच्या सहाय्याने आपण ते एक्सप्लेन करूया. Now see, while using into, you can see that there is a movement. See, and example, the teacher entered into the classroom. Now, when teacher enters the classroom, there was movement, and that's why into has been used. Then the boys ran into the house. Now see, या उदाहरणामध्ये मुले हे घराकडे पळाली, म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी मूवमेंट असल्यामुळे, गती असल्यामुळे इनटू चा वापर करण्यात आलेला आहे. Then next prepositions, on and on to. Let us see the uses of these two prepositions. On is used to show the days. On ने दिवस दाखवले जातात. आणि एक्झाम्पल आपण पाहूया. We are going to visit the park on Sunday. You can see on Sunday, it shows the day. I will be available on Monday. Then to show the place as surface, जे ठिकाण किंवा पृष्ठभाग दर्शवण्याकरिता ऑनचा वापर केला जातो. एक्झाम्पल, नाउ with help of diagram we can show that the book is on the table. See that label on the bottle. Then next one is on to, and it shows the movement. ज्यावेळेस त्या ठिकाणी गती किंवा हालचाल असेल त्यावेळेस ऑन टू हे वापरले जाते. अँड अगेन वी कॅन explain this with the help of diagram. Now see, there is a movement, and that's why we use on to here. And examples of this: the bottle fell onto the floor. Then he threw the ball onto the surface. Now this fell and threw, these verbs, they show the movement, and that's why onto has been used in these two examples. Then next preposition is from. From is mostly used with to or till. From हे to आणि till यांच्या बरोबर म्हणजे या प्रिपोजिशन बरोबर वापरले जाते आणि याचा अर्थ इथपासून ते तिथपर्यंत अशा अर्थाने होतो. एक्झाम्पल, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल वर्क फ्रॉम 11 AM to 5 PM. Then he worked there from 1995 to 2000. Then from is also used to point to someone or something. एक कुणाला तरी किंवा कशाला तरी निर्देश करण्याकरिता फ्रॉम हे वापरले जाते. एक्झाम्पल्स पाहूया आपण. I have learned so many things from him. Then we should learn a lesson from our mistake. Then from is used to show the place. ठिकाण दर्शवण्याकरता from वापरण्यात येते. एक्झाम्पल, where do you come from? Now here the place has been asked. Then she traveled from America to India. Next prepositions, since and during. Since is used to show the point of time. निश्चित वेळ दर्शवण्याकरता since हे वापरले जाते. एक्झाम्पल, I have been working here since 1995. Now there is a point of time shown in this example, and that's why since has been used. They are playing cricket since morning. And during is used to show the known period. माहित असलेला कालावधी दर्शवण्याकरता during वापरले जाते. Example, I stayed at my home during my childhood. Then we would enjoy a lot during our childhood. What did you do during the lockdown period? Now next preposition, that is for. For is used for someone or something. म्हणजे कोणाकरता किंवा कशाकरता या अर्थाने फॉर हे वापरले जाते. एक्झाम्पल, वी शुड वर्क फॉर ह्युमन वेलफेअर. देन द डॉक्टर्स आर वर्किंग फॉर द पीपल. नेक्स्ट यूज, फॉर इज यूज टू शो द पिरियड ऑफ टाइम. वेळेचा कालावधी दर्शवण्याकरता फॉरचा वापर होतो. एक्झाम्पल्स पाहू आपण. शी वर्क देअर फॉर 2 years. Now for 2 years it shows the period of time. Then we were together for the whole day. Again it shows the period. Then for is used to show purpose or cause. हेतू किंवा कारण दर्शवण्याकरता फॉरचा वापर केला जातो. एक्झाम्पल, I will give my best for the overall development of this institution. Then this scheme has been launched by the government for the poor people. Next preposition is to, and let us see the uses of to. To is used to point to someone or something. To हे कोणाला तरी किंवा काहीतरी असा निर्देश करण्याकरिता वापरले जाते. एक्झाम्पल, I have gifted it to him. You cannot force him to take part in the event. Then to is used to show the purpose or reason. हेतू किंवा कारण दर्शवण्याकरता to चा वापर केला जातो. She has gone to the market to buy vegetable. Now see the purpose of her going to the market. Then she is trying her best to pass the UPSC exam. Then to is used to show direction. दिशा दर्शवण्याकरता to चा वापर केला जातो. एक्झाम्पल, she is leaving to Australia next month. Then we'll go to his house and greet him. Now see, to Australia and to his house, both of them show direction. Then next preposition is of. Of is used as belonging to someone or something. कोणाशी तरी किंवा कशाशी तरी संबंधित अशा अर्थाने ऑफ वापरले जाते. एक्झाम्पल, इट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ हिज फादर. Then she is the mother of 2 children. Now of his father and of 2 children, both they show the belongings. Then they are the people of that country. Then because of ही रचना वापरली जाते. is used to show the purpose or reason. हेतू किंवा कारण दर्शवण्याकरिता. She can't go to the work because of her baby. Then I am here only because of you. In this way, in today's part, we have seen some of the prepositions and their uses with appropriate examples. In the next part, we are going to focus on the remaining prepositions. So thank you very much for being with me in this part of the grammar series. And I request you to press like and subscribe icons below this YouTube video. Thank you and see you in the next part.